Trucking cases are very different than a regular auto accident. If a lawyer tells you that you treat it just like a car wreck case, they don't know what they're talking about. There's a lot of federal laws that apply to trucking cases.
If you're involved in a trucking accident, it's really important that you hire the right lawyer. Not everybody knows the trucking laws and regulations that apply to a trucking company. The federal government and the state have instituted different rules and regulations that apply to the drivers and to the trucking company. And if you just hire any lawyer, they may not know the specific rules that apply. And so you want to look at an experienced trucking attorney who's going to know the laws, knows what to do, and to make sure that everything that's possible can be done to help you.
Well, in a trucking case, obviously you want to take care of yourself or your family, but you're going to want to get in touch with an attorney as soon as possible, because with a trucking accident, you're going to want to, it's going to be much more important to preserve the evidence. So because the trucking company most likely have got in touch with their insurance company immediately, they're going to have adjusters out there, they're going to be documenting and photographing the evidence. So before that all gets lost, you want to get a lawyer who can get somebody out there and take care of that for you.
Well, if evidence isn't preserved, the difficulty in trying to establish responsibility for the case, given the circumstances of the accident, can be more difficult.
Historically, we've been able to rely to a certain extent on trucking companies not to tamper with the physical evidence following a wreck. Now they have no obligation to do so. So that really heightens the need for a thorough investigation and a prompt investigation of a wreck where they can be put on notice immediately not to spoliate, which is a fancy word for destroy evidence.
Trucking companies, before they put an 80,000-pound vehicle on the road, have to go through significant training and learn a lot about the federal laws that are required. And so you need a lawyer who knows those, who knows how to gather that information and hold those trucking companies accountable when you or your loved ones are injured as a result of them not following those laws.